explorers. We are on a desert adventure today to find some missing truck friends.
Vroom, vroom. Look at those two colorful dump trucks rolling into the sand.
Oh no, they've lost their shapes. Can you help me find which shadow belongs to which mighty truck? Whoosh! Now we are at the beach. Does the truck look the same here? Host B.
Maybe it's a boat now? Just kidding. It's still our heavy-lifting dump truck buddy.
Time to build. Point your finger at the screen. Where does this big, sturdy tire go? Click. Ting! You found the cabin. That hard-working truck needs its steering wheel to drive around, doesn't it? No.
Is this the dump bed? Let's slide it into place. 3, 2, 1, snap! Perfect fit!
Oh my God! Woo! No, 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 no.
Hell yeah!
Look at those wheels spin. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3,
Whoa,
4.
look at
Great job counting, everyone.
Oh my.
Welcome, puzzle explorers. Today, our mighty truck friend needs a hand getting back to work.
Whoa, look at that crane. It's trying to find the perfect match for our truck's cargo bed.
Are you ready to help? Let's count down together. 2, 1, go!
2, 1, go!
Nope, that doesn't fit. Maybe a square piece goes on a circle? No way!
Click! That's the one. See how it snaps right into place? Great job, team! Now our cement mixer buddy needs its spinning drum. Watch it slide in. Perfect! Vroom, vroom, it's ready for the road!
Yay!
You did it, superstars! Our trucks are fixed and ready to roll! See you in the next puzzle adventure! Welcome, Puzzle Masters! Today we are playing with our super strong construction crew on the hopscotch court.
Whoa! Look at the digger, the dump truck, and the steamroller rolling in. Vroom, vroom, everyone!
Hey, where did that zoomy orange sports car come from? It's kicking up so much dust! Everything turned into shadows. Can you guess which vehicle belongs to which shape?
I'm going to put the wheels on the roof. That works, right?
Oh, silly! Wheels go at the bottom, not on the roof. Let's find the right spot together.
Good job.
Let's try to fit this big, heavy bucket onto the dump truck silhouette. Will it click? Let's see.
Nice. Good job.
Keep trying. Maybe rotate the piece just a little bit to the left. You've got this. Amazing!
No, 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 no.
Nice. Click! It fits perfectly. Great job matching those pieces, team.
No, God!
Look at that dump truck glow. It's happy to be back in one piece and ready for work. We did it! All our construction friends are ready to go. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun! Welcome, Space Explorers! Let's blast off on a cosmic puzzle adventure with our hard-working vehicle pals!
Whoa, did you see that? Our friends just got whooshed into a giant space swirl.
They've landed among the stars, but they need their missing parts back to start their mission. Get ready, team! 3, 2, 1, let's find those shapes!
Does this square piece fit here? Oh no, that's a red X. Try again.
You did it! The hard-working digger is finally whole again. Vroom! Look at him go!
No. Hell yeah!
Whoa, look at him!
Now for the road roller, friend! Slide that piece right into the silhouette. Perfect match. You're a puzzle master. Our space crew is ready for duty. Hey there, puzzle pals. Ready to meet our hard-working digger friends in the sunny meadow?
Whoa! Check out those magical sparkling clouds! Are they going to rain candy? Post A.
Not quite. Silly. It's time for some construction magic. Uh-oh. Our hardworking diggers are missing some important parts. Can you help us find where they go?
Think the giant shovel goes on the roof. Am I right?
Not quite. Let's look closer.
Nope.
The arm connects right to the front. Try again, everyone. Click. Look at that perfect fit. Vroom vroom. The hardworking digger is coming together. Yes! Everything is locked in place with a glowing sparkle. Great job, team! Ta-da! Our digger friends look absolutely amazing. Let's give them a big round of applause. You guys are officially master builders. Thanks for helping us out today. Superstars.
That was a blast. See you next time for more puzzle fun, everyone. Bye-bye.
Welcome, puzzle explorers. Let's find the missing shadow match together.
3, 2, 1,
Blaze is the one. Let's snap him in. Vroom.
Oh no, that wasn't the right fit. Kaboom! Poor Blaze got a little zap.
Maybe our strong friend Zeg will work? Let's try him.
No.
Still not quite right. Bang! That was a close one for Zeg.
Garrington is super bouncy. Maybe he fits the shadow.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
Oops, that didn't stick either. Watch out for the fireworks, Garrington. Amazing! Starla is here. Let's see if our cowgirl friend matches the silhouette.
3, 2, 1, go!
Wait, let's try Pickle. Maybe the little guy is the secret piece.
Nope.
Not quite, Pickle. Pop! That was a messy mistake.
Trying Zeg again. Surely this time he'll fit perfectly.
Nope, still not the right match. Zeg is taking quite a tumble today.
Nope. What about Starla? Let's give our friend another chance.
Wait. Good job!
Oh dear, that didn't work either. Starla is flying away.
Let's test Blaze one more time. He is so fast.
2, 1, go!
Still no, Blaze just got blasted. This puzzle is tricky.
Is it Darrington? Come on, you can do it!
Not this time, Darrington. Let's keep searching, friends.
Zeg is trying again. Will he finally be the right piece?
It's Pickle, yes! You solved it! You're a puzzle master, sir! Great work today! Welcome, Puzzle Explorers! Are you ready for a spooky, magical ride today?
Whoa! Check out that green monster truck! Does it have 10 eyes?
Oh no, watch out! That silly witch is causing some serious spooky chaos.
He's back and faster than ever. Vroom vroom, monster truck!
Boom! Another magical zap from our flying friend. What a wild ride.
What the?
Time to fix our brave police car. Can you spot where the missing wheel goes?
Ready? Go!
Click, perfect fit. And look at those dancing cats celebrating with us.
Hell yeah!
I think the monster truck needs his bumper back. Point to the right piece, kids.
Amazing job! Those capybaras are so happy to see the truck fixed and ready to roll.
Oh my God!
We did it! Both vehicles are ready for the Halloween parade with our dancing skeleton friends. You guys are total puzzle pros. Hey there, puzzle pals! Welcome to our big construction adventure. Are you ready to build?
Oh no! A sneaky robot just zapped our trucks into pieces. Kapow!
Look at those surprised doggies! Don't worry, pups. We're going to fix everything. Can you see the empty silhouettes? We need to match the parts to the right truck.
Ready? Go!
Is this the right spot? Maybe here? Wait, that doesn't fit. Let's try again.
Very nice.
Slide it in gently. Click. Yes! You found the perfect spot for that dump truck body. Amazing! Look at that. We matched all the wheels and the heavy frames. You guys are super smart.
Vroom, vroom. Our mighty trucks are back and better than ever. Nice work, team.
You did it! Thanks for being such amazing puzzle experts today. See you next time for more fun.
Good job!
Get ready, puzzle explorers. Our big adventure is starting in 2, 1, go! Vroom, vroom! Look at our mighty truck, the Brave Tank, and our speedy Jeep cruising through the sandy dunes.
Oh no! They've turned into mysterious shadows. I think they're lost. You want to help them find their shape?
Exactly, Bee. Let's get these pieces moving. Can you point to the screen and help us find the right spot? Click! That piece fits perfectly. You're doing so great. Keep going. We're building the mighty truck now.
Wait, is that a giant wheel? I bet it goes on the tank. Or is it for the Jeep? What do you think, friends?
No. Very nice.
Spot on. The green arrow shows us the way. Let's count the wheels together. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, God!
We're almost there. Just one more piece for our Brave Tank friends. Can you clap your hands to cheer them on?
Ta-da! We did it! You are puzzle superstars. Thanks for playing, and we'll see you for the next...
Welcome, puzzle explorers. Today we're matching shadows with our super speedy monster truck friends.
Whoa! Look at those cool colors! Red, blue, yellow, and green. They're ready to race!
The lights are dimming, everyone. Can you help us find their shadows?
Go!
3, 2, 1, go!
I'm putting the red truck here.
No.
Wait, that's not right, is it?
No, God!
Nice try, but let's slide it over to the blue zone. Pop! Perfect match! Vroom, vroom! Look at that red machine sparkle. Great job, everyone.
Now for the blue-white truck. Is this the right spot? Nope. Let's keep searching.
You found it! That shiny truck fits perfectly in its shadow. Kapow! It's glowing! digger. No, keep going, you can do it.
Beep, beep, there it is. Our bright yellow friend is locked in and looking sharp.
You mean Earth's lighthouse?
One. Our green monster truck friend is looking for a home. Let's find the match.
Yay!
You did it! Every truck is home. You are total puzzle pros. See you next time for more fun. Team. Today we are playing the ultimate shadow matching race with Blaze and his friends.
Vroom! Look at those cool outlines. Which truck fits into the first shadow racers?
Great eye! Let's slide that mighty truck right into its matching spot. Click!
3, 2, 1, go!
Wait, is the heroic fire truck supposed to go there? Oh no, that's a red X. Try again.
Don't worry, even the fastest racers make mistakes. Let's look for the kind rescue truck instead.
Nope.
Stay focused. We need the hardworking digger to fill that big gap. You can do it.
Beep, beep, that fits perfectly. Everything is falling right into place now.
Boom! Look at those fireworks. We matched every single one of our monster friends.
Amazing job, Puzzle Masters. See you next time for more high-speed fun.
Welcome to the ultimate puzzle adventure, explorers. Let's zoom along the beach with our brave police car friend.
Whoa, look out! Is that a monster police car? It's super grumpy. Zoom, zoom.
Oh no, those sparks mean trouble. Can you help our brave police car stay safe? Tap the screen to help him. Zap! Merge together. Did they just become one super vehicle? That is one cool trick.
Magic is in the air. Look, the Grim Reaper is using his powers to take the monster car apart. Abracadabra.
It's building time. Let's count down together. 3, 2, 1. Let's find the missing parts.
3, 2, 1, go!
Is here to help us finish this puzzle. Great job spotting that piece, everyone.
Boom! Fireworks everywhere. SpongeBob and Squidward are joining the party. You did it, Puzzle Masters. See you next time.
Welcome, construction crew. Put on your hard hats because we're building something amazing today. Whoa, look at those mighty machines. There's our hardworking digger and the sturdy cement mixer.
Oh no, a storm. Watch out, everyone. The sky is flashing with lightning. Zap!
Hey, where did our friends go? This little pug looks so confused. Can you help us find them? It's shadow matching time. Point your finger at screen. Does this big tire belong on the mighty truck?
I bet it goes on the digger. Wait, that's not right. Oops, wrong spot.
Good try. But let's look closer at the shapes. Which shadow matches the shovel?
Maybe here? Nope, that's the cement mixer's drum. Keep searching, team.
Don't give up. Look at the outline carefully. Does it fit now? Let's try again together. Click! That's it! The digger has its bucket back. Vroom vroom! He's ready to work again. You're a genius! Now help the mighty truck get its wheels. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Boom! The cement mixer is spinning again. You guys are faster than a speeding bulldozer.
Everything is back in place. You've saved the construction site. Superstars. Look at them go! Pop! Bang! Bang! The fireworks are celebrating your awesome puzzle skills.
That was epic. High five, everyone. You really are the best builders in the world.
Thanks for playing! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun adventures. See you next time! Hey there, Puzzle Explorers. Welcome to our big city adventure where our Spidey friends are dancing to get us ready for action.
Look at our mighty truck waiting patiently. Bet he's going to carry some giant evergreen trees today.
The clock is ticking, friends. 3, 2, 1. Let's load up that cargo. Oops, that yellow box doesn't fit. Remember, we need to match the colors to help our mighty truck move along.
Pop! The purple container clicks perfectly into place. Great job matching that color.
Haha, look at those happy faces. Solving puzzles is the best way to spend a sunny day. Vroom, vroom! Our mighty truck is fully loaded and ready to roll. You guys are absolute puzzle pros. See you next time! Welcome to the sunny construction zone, friends. Are you ready for a super cool puzzle adventure?
Whoa, look at those big machines rolling in. Vroom, vroom.
Haha! They're hiding. Can you spot our hardworking digger and the loader in their shadows?
I bet the big yellow one is a spaceship. Am I right?
Not quite, silly. That's a digger's cabin. Let's snap it into place. Click. Perfect. Now let's attach that heavy bucket so our digger can scoop up the dirt. Engine cover going on. That keeps our mechanical friend running smooth and steady. And the long, strong arm is attached. High five! You're doing amazing! Time to build our loader! Let's find that cabin window. There it goes! Pop! Engine cover fits like a glove. You guys are master builders! Look at that bucket go! It's ready to lift heavy things now. Side panel secured. Keep your eyes on the screen. Only a few more parts left. Connect that arm. It's really starting to look like a real machine now. Big wheels for big adventures. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Snap that cabin window in. Now our driver has a great view.
Is that a hammer? Time to break some rocks. Clang, clang.
Great job! The loader is looking super tough and ready for action. Switching over to our digger, let's give him that powerful hammer too. Engine cover locked. Everything is tight and ready to roll. Adding another cover to the loader. Everything is coming together so nicely. One more engine panel. You're becoming a real pro at this. Keep it up. The digger is looking shiny. Let's finish him off with the final touches. Almost there. Just a few more clicks, and these machines will be ready for the road.
Those wheels are spinning fast. Zoom, zoom.
Grab the wrench. We need to make sure every bolt is super tight. Twist it tight. Good work, team. Another turn with the wrench. You guys are doing fantastic. Don't forget the digger's bolts. Tighten them up 3, 2, 1. Click. Final adjustment. Everything is perfect. You did it. Hooray! Our construction crew is complete. You're all superstars. See you next time for more building fun.